Notch on this third morning at the Australian Swimming Trials here in Adelaide, because we are into the high-octane 50-metre freestyle for men, and it features a couple of Australian icons. The reigning Olympic champ Cam McAvoy, who thrilled the nation with his exploits in Paris. Looks like he's worn his pyjama top on full deck.
He's in dad mode. Baby due in about 3 weeks.
Indeed. Isaac Cooper next to him in lane 5. There's no Tolu Young, who was scheduled to swim from lane 3, but Kai Taylor will have revenge on his mind after a disappointing day yesterday. And then we'll see Kyle Chalmers coming up at heat number 2 of 6. But speed to burn here. He's had an interrupted preparation camp under his coach Tim Lane. He's been doing what he can, but as Ariane points out, there is a baby not too far away.
Be also some big decision making to be had by Cam, depending on when baby is due, where that lines up with World Championships in Singapore.
Well, luckily Maddie's wife's a trooper.
Great to see Cam McAvoy back in the water. What a thrill he provided for the nation with his outstanding performance in the 53 in Paris. He won the national champs back in April. He's in a bit of a dogfight here, Cam. He might be narrowly ahead. Isaac Cooper really taking it to him, but McAvoy with that back end speed has been able to see off Isaac Cooper in 21.76. Cooper was actually 4th in the national championships in 22.34. So two men that thrive in the one lap dash. It's been a long morning.
Well, 21.86 for Isaac Cooper is a great morning swim. In fact, it's a PB for him.
And just watching Isaac's technique there, it's crazy how people replicate what Cam has done, and his stroke above the water looked very, very similar to Cam.
Notice Cam back off ever so slightly.
And took a little sneaky breath there.
Just to check where everyone was, and final touch on the wall. You can do that when you're even in a 50, when you're the Olympic champion.